Hi, this is Red Pixels Studio. My name is Raushan Singh. Today I'm going to show you how to use match color in Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. Let's understand first what is actually match color in Photoshop. Basically, this tool alters the colors in a target image to match from the other source image or the layer in the same image. Okay, let's keep it simple. I have an image that is A, but I am not liking its color tone or depth, etc. So I find another image B that is quite good in color and I wish to apply the same for my A image. Before applying this effect, I have opened two images in separate document. With selecting this image, I am going to Image, Adjustments and Match Color. First, we need to change source none to other documents image. It will show you preview here the image you have currently selected. Fade is the option where you can adjust complete match color effect 0 to 100. 0 fade means 100% match color applied. 100 fade value means 0% match color applied. Accordingly, you can adjust color intensity and luminance as per the subject and your need. I am showing you two different output after applying match color. This is all about from this video tutorial. Hope you like this video. Feel free to write me whether it's a formal hello or anything related to designing and multimedia topic. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video.